Yeah, yeah. This one's real. Straight from the heart, no filter. Come, let me tell you my story. Grew up in a city where the streets was hard. Mama working double just to keep the light on in the yard. Papa gone early, had to learn quick. Hustled every corner, every hard trick. Nights I cried silent, didn't want them to see. Prayed to God, please make a way for me. Held on to a dream when the dream fell far. Looking at the sky, wishing on a star. Sunshine, sunshine on my skin. Made it through the darkness, now the good times begin. Riddim in my heart, beat inside my chest. Long road, no hurry, but I gave you my best. Wind up, let the music take control. Sunshine on my shoulder, sweetness in my soul. Yeah, left my block with the bag and the vision. Nobody believed me, made my own decision. Slept on floors, worked jobs I ain't want 'em, but I kept my head up, kept chasing the sun up. Little by little, brick by brick I built. Shook off the shame, shook off the guilt. People said slow down, I said watch me fly. Every fall just taught me how to touch the sky. Sunshine, sunshine on my skin. Made it through the darkness, now the good times begin. Riddim in my heart, beat inside my chest. Long road, no hurry, but I gave you my best. Wind up, let the music take control. Sunshine on my shoulder, sweetness in my soul. Say oh, 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 oh. Say yeah, say yeah, say yeah. Lift your hands up if you made it through the pain. Every storm we survive, we come back again. Sunshine coming up, washing out the rain. Now I'm standing where I dreamed I would be. Call my mama, said look what you raised, it's me. Same block, still love me, I ain't changed my way. Just carry the lesson from them harder days. Now I dance on the beach when my mind used to roam. Built a peace in my heart, finally found my home. To the one still climbing, I said don't you quit. The sunrise always come after the darkest bit. Sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. Yeah, I made it, I made it. Every scar, every tear led me up.